Hello everyone, welcome back to So Kelly-rific. Today we're here at Universal Studios Hollywood. We are here for a short trip. I'm just coming for some updates, ride the studio tour, and see what's new. So come along and let's go. Okay, so we just finished riding the studio tour in the AM. I have to go on as soon as I get here because I'm telling you the lines are getting so long already in the morning. But we did see a few updates while riding the studio tour. The first update that we did see is the rumored Killer Clowns maze, and they did have like the circus tent exposed right in front, so that is super cool. Again, I'll add a clip just so you could see what it's looking like.
Got Angeline, a lot of your old favorites like The Office and Friends, and so much of it.
Also, there was some more terror tram construction. They had it, of course, in front of the Bates Motel.
Janet Lee. Oh, the sign does show vacancy.
And by the Psycho House.
This is Dakota Fanning, directed by Steven Spielberg.
But I did notice that there was even more construction, like at the end of the War of the World set, so that was super cool. So they're working on that as well. We did go through Jupiter's Claim once again, and this time they did have like Jordan Peele like on the TV.
Do well and have your picture taken just like the kids in that old 90s movie Kid Sheriff. That's what this whole place is loosely based on. Remember that one?
So we did get to see that. He was the one who introduced it. You know, last time it was the studio tour guide. They did like the little spiel, but now they have Jordan Peele. So it's nice to see him up on the TV screen, like introducing the whole set. And all in all, it was like a really good studio tour. Like the crowd is super into it. They were so reactive, having such a good time.
All right.
And our driver went kind of fast, but it made it kind of fun. Oh, and we did get like the electric tram, and I gotta say it was pretty quiet this time. It was so nice. So it was just all in all like a really good studio tour, especially a great way to start our morning here at Universal Studios. And as we exited the studio tour, they do have like this new signage. It says, "Thank you for visiting Jupiter's Claim." And right here is a QR code that will take you to the website. You can play some games, but they do have this now when exiting. Another busy morning here. Look at where the line is. I haven't seen it over here in so long. It's all the way to the back. That is insane. Okay, I am here getting some Super Nintendo World updates on my phone so I could zoom in. But you can see like they do have like this cartoon tree that is looking so good. That looks so cool. And also they have some question blocks right over there. That is new. Some more Goombas from last week. Let's see what else. They're working on Bowser's Castle. It is uncovered more. We're waiting for that Bowser head. And let's take a look at the warp pipe. And that is coming along nicely as well. I haven't really did an update on here just because there hasn't been much, but it looks like they are adding like a screen maybe for like the little pre-show area right over here, right in front. And also you can see like the tent from Killer Clowns, well, rumored Killer Clowns, from this angle as well. Okay, as I was coming down the escalator, but look at Bowser's Castle. Actually, that's pretty cool too, like the horns. But as we were coming down, I noticed that they did have like a warp pipe. I didn't notice that from the other angle, but that is just so cool. I don't know if most of you heard, but yesterday it was announced that The Weeknd is getting his own maze here at Hollywood Horror Nights. Let me know what you guys think. Personally, I'm excited. I think it's gonna be cool with the music. Usually like the mazes within that stage 29, they're pretty like intricate, like the visuals, and I'm just hoping they're gonna bring it this year. I feel like they are. I feel like it's gonna be popular. I cannot wait to see it. But let me know what you guys think. Are you excited? Are you like, why is The Weeknd coming? But I wanna know. Does anyone know what maze is gonna be here? Like where the old Walking Dead attraction is? It's really hard to get like a view of anything. That's all I could see. But I'm just so curious what they're gonna put in here. So right now I'm gonna do a little merch roundup. I'm gonna go to some of the stores, see what's new, see what's been restocked. So let's go look. They do have this new ET mug. This is actually super cool. This is what it looks like inside. Here's some of the details. Super nice. Oh, little plushie scene. This is $17. And look who we finally got. We got the bride. We have been waiting for the bride, and she just looks so good. So now they have the whole collection here, and it looks as though they have ran out of Frankenstein, but they have the bride. Hopefully they'll bring back Frankenstein. That is so cool, and this is $19. Okay, so the newest addition to the Snow collection is this doll. This is actually featured in the movie. They also have it in the tram as well. Okay, let's head into the little Hello Kitty section in the Illumination store to see if they have anything new in here. I don't know if I showed you guys this last time, but this is super cute. It's like a little airline pillow with a hood, but I like this. How pretty is that? I think I might have to pick this up. I just think it's just so cute, and I like that it's from Singapore. Right, they did get this My Melody Funko Pop, and it is collaboration with Naruto, so she does have like the little headgear outfit. That is so cute. And it looks as though they have finally got in the headbands. These have been gone, but they have them so you could build your own. Remember, you could select a headband, mix and match any bow. They have a ton of different colors. And here is the pricing in case you are interested. Alright, I do like these, but I don't know if I'm gonna get them. I don't know why at Disney I feel comfortable wearing like the ears, but here, I don't know. I remember when I first seen this, I came back to get it because I think it's just so cute, but they sold out so fast. And I just found like this lonely one by itself, and I'm so happy. It is just so cute. We are now in the Universal Studios store, so let's see if there's anything new here. Let's see if they have Frankenstein here. Oh, they do. So they have him at the Universal Studios store. They have the whole collection. So here they are all together. Okay, so they did restock some of the hats here in the Super Nintendo World store. We got Goomba, Toads, and Bowser. And we still have Mario and Luigi. So it's pretty loud in like the Universal Studio store with the Super Nintendo World stuff. They did get in like this new backpack, which was super cool. It's like retro style, and like this little purse. I liked it, and I did like the strap, the detail on the side. And I like that it said Super Nintendo World. I love like when the merch has like the park branding. So I came into the smaller Super Nintendo World store just to see if there's anything different, and so far pretty much all the same. They did have this shirt at the Universal Studios store as well, but I'll show you it here. It is Bowser Jr. So they have added him. They didn't have him, so he is new, and this is $35. WaterWorld Maze does look a little different from last time. They have like a lot of stuff on top, like lights, speakers. I came to the WaterWorld queue just to see like if there's any differences, and I really don't see any from last time. Alright, but that is the current progress here at this maze. So near WaterWorld, as you know, I think that's where the Blumhouse maze will be, which will feature both Freaky and the Black Phone. And I actually had a chance to watch the Black Phone, and it is such a good movie. So if you haven't seen it, you should definitely watch. It did make me more excited for this maze, because at first I did see Freaky, it was fine. I wonder how they're just gonna do the mazes for both of those movies. I am just so curious, especially the Black Phone. As I was watching the movie, I was trying to think like, what could they do? And for Freaky, it would be cool maybe if they include like the laser tag scene, or just, I don't know, I'm just trying to think. I am more excited about it now that I actually seen the Black Phone. Okay, for Thursday, it is a madhouse, and it is early. I have not seen it yet this packed this early. So crazy. Here in City Walk. And I just wanted to get like a little update here at Twosomes, and they do have like a big black tarp over most of the facade. It looks as though they are working like on this area, so curious to see what it's gonna be looking like. That is the status here for Twosomes. Alright, so I haven't been to the Curious George parking lot in a while to look at the mazes, so we are here just to check them out. It's just always so hot, but we came. And I am so glad I came over here, because I was saying, maybe I don't feel like going today. But look, they're doing some more work. But I wanted to show you this. I'm gonna go on my phone to show you like a closer look. Right here it is. Let's take a good look. But look, it looks like it has been uncovered. Super cool. I didn't think they were gonna uncover it like anytime soon, to be honest. So just so that we could see it. So exciting. Everything looks so good. So we're gonna check out this maze as well, the Halloween house. And last time I came, like, it didn't have those vines and all the forestry. Again, I'm gonna check in with my phone just so we get like a closer look. Here I am. Oh, is that a heart? Cute. But yeah, let's take a look at this front. Look at those vines. What is that on top? It is looking just so good. Everything, oh my goodness. All right, everyone, so we are done for today. That was so many people. It was hot, so super short trip. Just got as many updates as I could. But for now, don't forget to hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, because we're gonna have more videos coming soon. Until next time, bye guys!